Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, in the given string, remove the white spaces first, then reverse it, and then print only the odd position characters in the reversed string text. Using the Java program, you have to do this. So let me explain this with practical demonstration. So let's get started and let's switch to the Eclipse IDE here. Under this package, I'm going to create a new class. Okay. So I'll just say some problem one or something. Just give some name. That's okay. Any name you can give. With main method, I'll create. And here I'll intake the string as an input from the user during the execution of the program. For that, I need to create an object for the scanner class, as we already know. Scanner is equal to new scanner, and import this scanner from java.util package. And here write down system.in. After that, write a print statement asking the user to enter a string text. Enter any string text. Okay, enter any string text, let's say. Fine. So after that, we'll collect the input from the user using next line method. Okay, this next line method of the scanner object or scanner class will intake the user input in a string literal format. Okay, so yeah, string. Okay, the original one, original text or whatever it is. Okay, original text, that is, or string text that has been entered by the user, will be there here. Then I want to close a scanner object. As part of the best practice, I'll do this. Once that is done, now I want to first remove the spaces from this text, whatever the spaces that the user has entered while entering this particular text, right? It may be in 2 words, 3 words, it doesn't know. Whatever the spaces that will come in between need to be removed. For that to happen, I'll copy this original text dot, I'll say replace all method. You can use any of this replace method, replace all method. I'll use the replace all method. And here, first I need to provide the regular expression wherever there is a space. Okay, this escape sequence kind of stuff, this regular expression, if you give, this stands for space, guys. Double backward slash s means single forward slash indirectly. So this is a representation of a space, regular expression for representing a space. If there isn't a space in the given text, okay, this original text entered by the user, if there is a space, you have to replace that. You have to remove the space, so that I'm just giving some empty double quotes. In between the double quotes, there is nothing. Okay. So here, replace all method will return you the string without spaces. String, no spaces text. I'll just give some name like this. Okay. Original text will be replaced with the spaces, and no spaces text will come. And then what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to reverse. You have to reverse this particular text. Okay. In order to reverse the text, guys, we cannot use string class methods. Okay. There is no predefined class. There is no predefined method in the string class which can reverse the text. Okay. So what we can do is we can use one method, guys. We can use one method from the string builder. Okay. In string class, we don't have that, but in string builder, we have that, guys. Okay. String builder SB is equal to new string builder. And in this constructor, you have to pass the text that you want to reverse. Okay. So this string text need to be reversed, guys. This particular string text need to be reversed. Okay. After this, I'll just simply say SB dot reverse. This reverse method of the string builder will reverse the string text here. And if I put a semicolon here and see the return type here, it is returning in the form of string builder. I want to return in the form of string. So for that, I have to add two string method here, and this will return in the form of string. Okay. Now we can store in the form of a string. Here I'll say reversed text. I will say reversed text. So far, from the intake and text, we have removed the spaces and we have reversed the text. We have removed the spaces and reversed the text. What is the next thing that we have to do, guys? What is the next thing that we have to do? The next thing that we have to do is we have to print only the odd characters, odd position characters in this text. For that, I'll write for int I is equal to 0, I less than, because index 0. Okay, I less than the size of this particular text, that is reverse text dot length method I'll call, and then say I plus plus. Okay. So index 0 to the size less than the size of the text. I'll write down like this. Okay. Once I write like this, I'll do something. That is, so if you want to get the odd number is starting with the index 0, right? Okay. The odd position is at the index 0. Again, the next index 1 means even position will be there at the index 1. Again, odd position will be there at the index 2. So here indexing concept with the position you have to compare. We need to get the odd positions, but not the odd index. Even index is equal to odd position in this example. Okay, if you clearly observe here, whenever you have the even index, the 0 is the index, it's even, right? At that odd position will be there. The first position will be there. So position is odd, but index is even. If the index is 1, the position will be 2, which is not an odd index, odd position. It's an even position. So we have to be clever here. We have to be smart here. Like wherever the index is even, the position is odd. So I'll write the logic like this. If I modulus 2 is equal to 0, if the remainder is coming as 0 means it's an even index, including 0, 0, 2, 4 are the even indexes, right? 4, 6, 8 and all those stuff. Their odd position characters will be there in the string. So with that logic, I'll write this like this. With the indexing, I'll just look for even indexing so that odd positions will come indirectly. And here I'll write this reverse text dot caret of I, I'll say. Okay. This I want to print it out, guys. System dot out dot println. Just print this out. System dot out dot println. So here reverse text dot caret will retrieve that character at that particular index position. Okay, at that particular index. If it is an even index, it is an odd position. We already know that. Here println I'll remove. I'll make it print so that it will not print each and every character in separate line. It will not print each and every character in separate line. So I'll write like this. I'll run the code here. Right click, run as Java application. So here I'll enter the text. For example, if I enter the text like this, okay, my name with some space is coming. So if I intake this particular text, first space will be removed. After the space is removed, this entire text will be reversed. After reversing the text, whatever the odd position characters are there, they need to be printed. Press enter. What got printed, guys, as an output? You can see that first space got removed. Okay. After that, this one has been reversed. Okay. How it will be reversed? I will come in the first like this. IROOTOMNURA like that. It will be reversed. Text will be reversed. In that, what is the index 0 is nothing but the odd position. Index 0 is nothing but the odd position, that is 1. So I will be coming here. After I, R should not come, then O should come. This O came. After O, T should come. T came. Then after T, M should come. M came. After M, okay, after M, U should come. U came. After U, A should come. A came. So this is what happens, guys. Reverse text dot caret of I. So guys, this is the program that we have to write to first remove the white spaces from the given string text and then reverse that string text and then print only the odd position characters in the reversed string text using the Java program. This is a Java program that we have to write. You can take the screenshot of this code, guys, and practice in your computer machine and get the same results. So guys, with the theoretical explanation and practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So I'll also put this code here, whatever the code I have created here or written before you just now. I'll copy this code and put it here. Okay. Fine. So guys, that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.